as far as just pump broke, which we're getting that replaced. So
well, hang on a second. Let's find out who you are. You're Chris with CC Group.
Chris with CC Group.
Concrete contractor, yeah. And you intended to start this about 7 a.m.
Yeah,
right?
Correct.
And what happened?
And then the pump broke, so we got a replacement on the way.
Okay, so the pump is this giant machine. This giant machine sitting over here. It pumps the concrete. And they had a mechanical failure, so they got another pump on the way.
Correct.
Okay. And now what are you doing? You got a can of paint in your hand and some steel straps on the ground right here?
So we're marking all the structural straps for the house. So we're marking those and placing those around so that when we pour, we'll put them in the spot.
Put them in place. Yeah. Yep, that sounds good. So just curious, how long do you think it'll take to get all the mud on the ground?
Depends on service. If we get good service, probably about a 4 to 5 hour period.
Okay.
Slow service could be a little bit longer.
All right. And you're planning on about 230, 240 yards, something like that? Okay. And then how long will it take you to finish it? You guys will probably be here till 7 or 8 o'clock tonight, won't you?
The guys will be here till late. I can't say exactly, but they'll be here late today.
So, all right. Well, we appreciate all the hard work you're doing for us, and we're excited about having this foundation done today.
Good. We are too.
All right. Thanks, Chris.